starting with the face of the truck, we wanted to go for a more aerodynamic and sculptural approach opposed to more conventional truck designs being very bold and very geometric. So we started with the front silhouette. We started by leaning it back, making it a bit more accelerated, chamfering the front corners, again, just giving us a better effect in the wind tunnel. You'll notice some of the Ford truck cues, the 3-bar grille intersecting into the outboard nostrils. As I walk to the side of the vehicle, probably the biggest change is the profile. We went for a much faster windscreen with the all-new Ranger and really changed the side DLO to really come up with a more modern side silhouette. Probably our biggest priority with the new and modern proportions was trying to raise the belt. It just gave us more modern proportions, more sheet metal to side glass, and really gave the vehicle a much more tough and protective look. You'll notice in the body side that we have this little detail in the body side. Again, just trying to add a bit more fluidity and dynamics to the truck. So from the rear of the vehicle, the first thing you'll notice again is the raised box. This tied in well with the new proportion and the raised belt line. It also provides much more loading capacity for our customers. Again, the rear wheel lip tying into the front, a bit more sculptural than today's truck. When you walk up to the truck and you start looking at it in more detail, you'll notice some surface details that we added to the truck that really helped us out in the wind tunnel. We were going after a fuel economy target and really wanted to get the truck a bit more aero. So chamfering the corners at the rear of the cab really helped, and then this little tiny addition to the spoiler lip on the tailgate was a big help for aero. So I've just taken you through the key design elements of the exterior design of the all-new Ford Ranger. It's been a privilege for me to lead the design team in Melbourne for the past 4 years on this vehicle. We're extremely proud of it. We think we've got just an absolutely fantastic, modern, capable pickup truck for the 21st century, and we really think that customers are really going to be excited about this vehicle.
In the all-new Ford Ranger, we have 3 main elements in the engine compartment which give us 800 millimeters of wading depth. The first being the breather pipes for 3 different components on the powertrain system. There's a high-mounted electronic system on that side for the alternator. And thirdly, the air intake system.
We have the actual air intake mounted high up in the fender here to protect it from any water that might rush over the bonnet and spill down the side. If any water does get into the intake system, it will be captured, and we've got a one-way valve letting the water out but not letting any water in.
What we're indicating here is the water wading depth as advertised by 2 competitors, being at 500 millimeters. Second one at 700 millimeters, and then the new Ranger at 800 millimeters.